So hello guys, this is Arpit Jain, MP40 for spoken English classes, and today I am here with a new topic: importance of recycling. So there are more than 10 students, and they are going to do GD. So let's get started.
Good evening, friends. Today's our topic is importance of recycling, and recycling process is a very useful process for nature and us, and it is win-win situation for nature and animals and humans also. And many peoples are doing a recycling, many types recycling.
Good evening. My name is Nitsa and the topic is what is importance of recycling. Recycling is processing waste materials and using them to make new products. For example, old newspapers are recycled and can be made into new paper products such as paper, tissues and cardboard, etc. It also reduces the burden of garbage on the planet. And daily it is a huge amount of garbage goes into the landfills, and by saving natural resources we can secure our future and of the next generation. So recycling can help in reducing these emissions. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Tanishka Bharjatia. In my opinion, we are saving resources and sending less trash to the landfills, and it helps to reduce air and water pollution, as recycle is very important as waste, and it has negative impact on natural environment and reducing demand for raw materials. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Krishna Eswal, and importance of recycling is the main part of polythene, because human were throw the polythene in the road and animal get harmed. This is not good, and the government make the best idea, and anyone selling the polythene, and they get in a jail, and first tax, and they get tax. First tax is 25,000 and second tax is 1 lakh. This is a very good idea. Thank you.
So my name is Pawan Sharma. It also reduce the burden of garbage on the planet. And 18 March to celebrate Global Recycling Day, and the day is utilized to promote awareness of recycling. The waste product is very harmful to living organism and environment also.
Everyone, my name is Yugandhar Sendau. In my opinion, recycling is the help of people and country in economy in the long run, and save energy making materials from recycling.
Hello everyone, I am Piyush. As far as my concern, people who belongs to rural area don't have much knowledge about recycling. So government should give them knowledge about recycling, and polythene and many harmful products destroy our land also, and it affects the wildlife also. There are several type of incident in our wildlife. Animals consume polythenes, and they get harmed by polythenes.
In my opinion, by recycling thing, we can prevent a new valuable materials from mixing the garbage, such as old newspaper, recycle and make a new paper products like paper, tissues and cardboard also. And recycling is reduce also the garbage, and it can also reduce the burden of the garbage on the planet, and hence they will secure the future generation. Thank you.
Hello guys, I'm Shelly Bharjatia, and in my opinion, recycling thing reduce the need of extraction from the planet, and it make our world sustainable. And recycling industry creates the job opportunities for the unemployed people in the green jobs. It has many benefits, like it prevents pollution, it conserves natural resources, it conserves energy, it creates job opportunities for the people. Thank you.
In our household we use many products, and one of that is paper. If we will reuse the paper, so we will save the millions of trees, and it will conserve the nature also. And whatever the trash we are throwing. So first we should see that if there is a thing that we can reuse it, so we should not throw it. So because if we will recycle now, so our future generation will also recycle the things. Thank you.
If we want to save our planet, save nature, recycling is very crucial thing for us, for life, for wildlife, for our health, and for anti-plastic. If we recycle polythene bags and all, we also save the life of animals, because animals eat polythene bags and all, and they will die.
Hello everyone, I am Aishwarya Radham. In my opinion, recycling is the process of converting waste material from new material. Recycling is a recover energy from waste material. Recycling depends upon the ability and quality of that product that has been be recycled. The main three importance of recycling: first is reuse, second is reduce, and third one is recycle. First is reduce the harmful the product which is harmful for our environment, which is we should reduce it. And second is reduce the product of that can be reduced. And third is recycle, create new things, which is called recycle. And most of garbage making biodegradable sources, biochemical resources, and biochemical energies are formed. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Bhumika. So according to me, recycling is very important. In today's world, if we want to leave this planet for our generation, recycling is the first thing that we should take care or worried about. Also, recycling, according to me, recycling is a revolution in itself, because if we see, we are doing or we are following such activities since past so many years, but right now why everyone is so much concerned about is just because of many movement that our Indian government has taken so far. So right now, as we are concerned about save water, save soil, and many more events are going on, many more campaigns are going on. For this only, our new generation is very concerned about to save soil, to save water, and also to make less use of plastic bags and the products that are very harmful for our environment as well as for the nature. Also, in recycling, we should also always take care about reuse of products and make a less use of those products which are very harmful for our environment, which can impact the life of human beings as well as mankind. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ishika Bhausar, and my opinion is many people are do recycling and garbage, and some people are recycling bikes, old recycle and bikes and car and trucks and etc. Thank you.
Yeah, so I am agree with my all colleagues, and many people are doing many types of recycling, and some people are do the water recycling, and some people doing garbage recycling, and it is a very useful for us. I am agree with them, and I think we should aware everyone to that we don't use plastics and those type of
Why
products.
important is it? Why important is it?
Why important it is? Because if we don't do that nowadays, so it is very harmful in future for us.
Hi everyone, we are just done with our discussion about the importance of recycling. I hope everyone who is watching the channel, who is watching this video, will love this content and also follow the process of recycling. Everyone is aware of it. Thank you so much for watching us today, and I hope you like it, enjoy it. Do share this video, and do like and subscribe to the channel.
And press the bell icon.